How do I stay safe in plastic surgery procedures? It's a fundamental question that everybody wants to know. We've got a world's authority to tell us about it. Hey, Doc audience, we're here with Dr. Rohrich. Rod, you've been around plastic surgery for many years. You know probably more than anybody about it. Tell us, what are the 5 things people can do to stay safe doing plastic surgery procedures?
Great question, Bill. And I hear that all the time. I see it all the time, especially in patients. I do a lot of revision plastic surgery. So biggest thing is find a true board certified plastic surgeon. Now, what does that mean? Everybody says they're board certified, but by what? By Walmart, Costco? No, by the American Board of Plastic Surgery. There's only one American Board of Plastic Surgery. That's what you've got to see. That's the gold standard. That starts, at least gets them into the ballpark. And then once you've found a real plastic surgeon, then you can go and see, do I want my nose, my breasts, or something done? Then you find an expert.
The other thing that you can do too is you can look at the society membership, like the Aesthetic Society or American Society of Plastic Surgeons. Both of those vet out surgeons. They have to be board certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery to become members. So you can look for the emblems, the Aesthetic Society emblem or the ASPS emblem.
Right. That's very good, because those are the 2 biggest societies in plastic surgery, the Aesthetic Society and the American Board and the American Society of Plastic Surgeons. Those 2 really are the ones, you can't become a member unless you're board certified. And also, this is also amazing, and both of the groups work together for this, which was a landmark thing. Not only do you have to be board certified, but you also have to operate in an accredited facility, which means that there's a national group that accredits its facilities, whether it's Medicare or Quad ASF, there's other groups. But so if you're a member of those, like you said, Bill, that automatically means that not only you're board certified, but you operate in these accredited facilities. So why is that important? Because you want to not operate out of a broom closet or in your office. It's sterile, it's been inspected, and it's ready to handle, real operative procedures. It's a real operating room. And I think also it tells you that you have anesthesia that's there, whether it's an anesthesiologist, which, we prefer to use, a board certified anesthesiologist, or an accredited CRNA. These are all things that really, the common line is, are you staying safe? Yep. Now, safety is one thing, outcomes is another. So safety and outcomes go together to a certain degree, but the outcome is really determined by who you choose as your plastic surgeon. So you got to get a list of plastic surgeons, go see a couple or 3, and then you got to get to know them and like them and trust them. And then with social media, sure, you talk to your colleagues, your friends, and social media, and go to their website and reviews. Now remember, all those things can be varied. And of course, if you go and see reviews and if they're all perfect, they're probably all made up, okay? But if they have a predominantly good reviews over other reviews, then that means that they're real. And it's all things like that really go into you doing your homework. You just can't say, I'm just going to go see somebody, and go on Google. So it makes it a lot harder. But the key is safety and outcomes. Know before you go. Find a true board certified plastic surgeon that is an expert in what you want to have done.
Yeah, I think those are some real nuggets of gold, Rod, because people just need to know these simple things to start staying safe and doing your homework and putting some time into it. People used to joke around saying people would spend more time researching where they're going to eat dinner that night than who their plastic surgeon is.
Of course.
But you really have to do your homework because it can be tricky. So use the resources. The stuff that Rod just mentioned are great things. Great stuff, Rod. But if you liked this, check out The Truth About Celebrity Copycat Noses.